Hello, hi, good evening to everyone. Yeah, I think I just record my video if I have some time to talk with my friends, followers, subscribers, and yeah, let's talk how to improve your English in daily practice. Now, I speak in English in slow process. I try to speak everything how to speak in English in slow way. If you can speak in slow process, if you are a beginner, you can understand everything. And I always try to speak in easy sentence, easy conversation, because everyone can understand easily. And now my daughter is playing with a baby kid, and she also enjoying a lot, and other children's boys and girls are playing, and two parents are sitting. Now I am on the podium. This is in previous video also I can share everything. This is my apartment podium, and this is park, temple. Evening time all are gathering and enjoy every evening time. All are come outside and walking, um, sitting, playing, everything. Like kids are playing, people are walking, some ladies are prayer near to God, and the kids are enjoying a lot. And yeah, whatever the situation, I try to express how to speak in English in easy way. My daughter's best friend Cookie is here, and also another friend Anvi. See, both are in same school, and both are playing every time. Whenever they outside, come outside, always play. mm, together. Yeah, it's, I can say, the beautiful moment I can catch in my record. Cookie, Anvi and Arya, both three are best friend. And yeah, I see, I like very much, because whenever I have some time, I try to speak something, whatever the topic I what I'm see how to improve. If I don't talk anything, I always keep silence, only read and write, but don't speak. Then how can I improve? And if you want to speak your English like a baby, how to walk like, if you are a baby, then in your, I think after 6 months or 9 months you can't walk, but after complete your 9 months, the baby first try to stand up, and again fall down, again stand up, again fall down. Day by day she try to stand properly, then walk one step and two step, hold her mother's finger or parents finger, try to improve day by day. And after complete 1 year and I think 12 months, the baby um, have confident, and I think she walk very comfortable, no need to anyone, and she walk in one look. This is a flight. Every recording time I catch beautiful. Wow, it's amazing. Yeah, like how the baby walk. Confident English also like this. If you speak every day, speak, express your thought, one day you can speak very well, I can say. And this is also my practicing. Always I try to speak in English for my improvement day by day. I also feel confident in my side, and I always try to eat some express every day in short video, in long video. You also follow the rule. And nowadays in YouTube and everywhere, and so many people are trying to improve this language and making videos. I also follow this rule. Don't about any subscriber followers, only my speaking level, how to improve. only the one method. If I am speaking every day, any situation like with my co-learners, with my friends, and with my child, or any watching video, every time if I will try to learn something new and I improve day by day more. I can say one experience, another experience. Before 4 months ago I can't speak anything, but right now I can speak confident in my side. I feel I good, I express my thought, because of daily practicing. If I can't say anything, then how can you improve it? This is my example. I can say, try, don't feel like hesitation, or don't say I can't do, I can't speak. Try to speak continuously whatever in your mind. Now I am working, also recording my video and express my thought. This is one of my practicing, I can say, to improve this language. All kids are playing, and my sister and her friends also enjoying. Sai Arya, Sai Arya, say hello. And she is cookie, and yeah, everyone can enjoy playing. I also recording. Yeah, I don't waste my time, I can say, whatever the situation. And some guys are sitting on the bench. My daughter come down to call her friends. Yeah, I am recording. Yeah, this is the, I can say, happiest moment every time. If I have some time to catch some memories and share with my friends, this way I can express my thought every time. Yeah, don't feel like I can't speak, but if you, yeah, she is a little girl. She tell to me, your daughter go down and please call to your daughter and play with me, and she tell to me. And yeah, in this way every day I practice my English. Whatever the situation, I don't think, I try to express my thought. Yeah, every day I try to, whatever the situation, if I have some time I record my video, or I catch any topic and say something about this topic, 1 minute or 2 minutes. If I have, if I have I don't have any time to myself, because I can say I am an alpha mom. As a mother I have so many priorities, like as a mother, as a homemaker, I have so many household chores. First my priority is my family. Try first I complete my all household chores, my daughter's homework, my daily routine. After that, if I have some time, I try to give some time to myself. Otherwise I don't think stress, don't take any stress, and don't think today I don't practice anything. It's okay if you have some time, try to learn, try to read, try to write. Or if you don't have time, then you can speak any topic with mirror practicing. Yeah, anytime, anywhere. If you at home, if you outside or any place, try to speak, try to think. If you don't think in English every time, how can you express to others in English? Excuse me, sorry for that. And nowadays I am every time I think in English only. I know I make some mistake, and this is not my native language, I can say. If then how can you feel like if this is my native language, it's okay, but this is not my native language, and because of you I don't, I am learn every day, try to learn this language. I learn something new and try to learn day by day. I am a learner. Then don't take any stress. I don't tell I can't do it. Everyone can do everything. Like if you are a singer, if you practice like daily, then one day you can sing very well. Like if you are a good teacher, if you teach like every day more student, and if you attend more classes in, I think, 1 year 2 year also, you are a good teacher. Every sector, every journey takes time for her experience. And yeah, don't think within 1 month, 10 days. Arya, what happened? Every things takes time. This is a long term process. Don't think within 1 day or 1 month or 1 year I will learn everything. No. In my opinion, in my 4 month experience, I can say this is a long term process. You can't stay, be consistency, everyday practice, day by day you improve a lot. But this is not a like if you don't practice 10 days or 15 days, you feel I don't remember anything, and like you feel I am 10 step back. I think your experience at the time, if you don't practice 10 days, mean this is daily practice, and this is not our mother tongue. Because of you, I want to say, every day you practice this language, speak more and more. If someone help, then try to speak every day with her, like your friends or co-learner or teacher, mother, father, or any friend. If you have close friend, then try to speak. This is more if you don't read, right, it's okay, but if you speak every day, daily practice, you can grow more. And also try to learn one word every day, one vocabularies, and try to learn something about grammar. Don't take any headache, don't take any stress. Slow process, you read and learn, and but every day speak 1 minute, 2 minute, catch any topic and try to speak. This is my experience. Every day I am continuously practicing and express my thought with nowadays so many apps, Gemini, ChatGPT, and Google. So many apps are there. If you don't have any friend, it's okay, try to talk with ChatGPT, Gemini. They can help every time. Whenever you have some time, record your video and upload it and try to speak. Is it correct or anything wrong? Or try to write something, a sentence or some sentence or what, try to GPT, is it correct, like this. And you can improve in this way. Or no want to, you don't want to go outside for improve your like spoken English something. This is I think, don't take any class, don't waste your money. If you have to learn this language first, you try to learn something minimum knowledge about in your in your use in your mobile, how search in Google, how, and use ChatGPT, Gemini, how to improve, how to learn this language. If you learn something like 10-30% minimum, and try to, in my opinion, you can in YouTube and so many sites are there. You can join any WhatsApp community group and spend monthly 200 100 rupees or 500 rupees for 1 month, and try to join any WhatsApp community. And yeah, because of you, this is the you have so many friends in WhatsApp group, and also you have any teacher, guide teacher every day, and they take this class, and this is a daily process. Don't waste like 5,000 10,000 rupees for spoken English class. I think if you attend this class, you don't learn something, don't learn. But if try to learn something fast in own way, after that you can immediately join any WhatsApp group or something. And I also join one of my English diary English adventure group, and every day I talk with my friends, and I take course classes every week. This is also helpful for me for improvement my English also, because we are homemaker, and now I am at home, I don't go outside. I also I am a mother, I take care my daughter. Because of you, I can't go outside. And I think this is the good platform to learn at home and improve my English. This way I improve my English every day. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, in next video um, I will share something other things. It's okay. Thank you for watching me till now. Bye bye.